I hope everybody in the bread gang's having a great day today, because I am not. Check engine lights, come on. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. You about to get kicked out of Bojangles. Why am I not having a good day, you ask? Well, I'm at O'Reilly's now with Mar and Michael, wherever they just ran off to. And so let me show you. Let me show you what's going on today. Well, my speedometer's off, so we're coming up on 100,000 miles pretty quick. But today, if you can see, check engine lights, come on. I don't know why or for what, but we're gonna go find out why the check engine light's on. Any guesses? Any guesses? Anybody?
A Chevy.
It's a Chevy? Good guess though. Ooh. Leave a comment below. What's your favorite one? I'm a black ice kind of guy. Bay Breeze is pretty good. Bayside Breeze.
Yeah, that's what I have.
What?
Bayside Breeze.
Bayside Breeze. It's a good look. They got the 6-packs. Holy crap. I'm nervous. Pulling up now.
Oh, I mean,
What the? Holy!
Edit that out. I'm letting y'all know right now, we just got this bread today, even though we're here for a bad reason. But we got this bread. This one right here. Big ugly. The big ugly silver one.
yeah, you get racing first. Yeah.
I'm in the passenger side.
Man, ran a fun or anything?
No, I mean, everything's been driving fine. It just, I need an oil change pretty bad, but the check engine light just came on, so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep you out of it. Yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Cadillac official with low threshold, brake 2, that's your oxygen sensor. You still got your cats on?
Yeah, I got the 2 in the front, not the one in the middle.
That's what it is.
That one? So it finally went off because of that? There's no other codes for anything else?
That's it. That's the only one coming up. P0430.
Let's go!
Go burn a little bit more gas, I tell you that.
Oh, it definitely has. Hey, I need to shake you. You need to
Hey
save
man, no problem, man. Hey man,
you're the best.
You're good. You guys have a great come back and see us.
I don't know if y'all heard any of that, but I have the 2 cats in the front, and I took the one out of the middle, which is technically a resonator, but I guess it is a cat. But it's messed up my O2 sensor, and that's what's sending off the check engine light currently at the moment. So we definitely squeaked by with a small one today. Nothing major on the truck. Thank God. I was a little worried for a second, so I don't know if y'all heard any of that, but that's all it is. So hope everybody has a great day. Hopefully we can keep going without having that, and I'm going to get my oil change as soon as I can, because I'm not playing no more games. Woo! That was a close one. That was a close one. Saved my life today. Shout out to the guy. Who wants to do it today? Who wants to do it?
Let's get this bread.